Oke guys, jadi hanya memasang karet rantai ini ternyata harus melepas sebesar ini. Saya kira tadi di awal saya hanya cukup melepas rantai, tapi ternyata harus melepas semuanya.
Oke, halo guys, kembali lagi bersama DJR Motovlog, channel yang membahas seputar modifikasi motor fiction. Nah, di video kali ini saya mau mengganti karet bantalan rantai karena pemakaiannya sudah sangat lama, belum pernah diganti dari awal, dan hari ini saya mau ganti dengan yang baru. Ini harganya 33.000, belinya di Shopee. Untuk link tokonya bisa kalian cek di deskripsi. Oke, kira-kira seperti apa proses pemasangannya? Simak terus video ini sampai selesai.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. Have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want.
Oke guys, jadi hanya memasang karet rantai ini ternyata harus melepas sebesar ini. Saya kira tadi di awal saya hanya cukup melepas rantai, tapi ternyata harus melepas semuanya. Dan baru diketahui ketika kita tidak melepas semuanya, otomatis karetnya ini tidak akan lepas karena modelnya seperti ini guys. Oke, nah karena dia ada pengganjal seperti ini, jadi kalau ditarik tidak bisa, didorong ke depan juga tidak bisa, maka harus dilepas. Oke guys, banyak pasir, mumpung lagi dibuka dengan ayunnya, kita semprot saja pakai air. Mudah-mudahan pasirnya bisa hilang.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're the...
Nah, ini lengan ayunnya sudah saya bersihkan, tinggal pasang lagi. Oke, mudah-mudahan ini bagus. Nah, oke, sudah terpasang.
The fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread.
Oke guys, setelah karet bantalan rantainya sudah terpasang, jangan lupa dicek kembali untuk baut-baut dan part-part yang dibongkar tadi, apakah sudah terpasang dengan benar. Jika sudah, berarti sudah aman. Dan mungkin video saya sampai di sini dulu. Terima kasih sudah menonton. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe. Kita jumpa lagi di video berikutnya.
I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up